Looking for trusted janitorial services in Noblesville Inn? System4 of Indianapolis is your go-to provider for exceptional cleaning solutions. We offer comprehensive janitorial services tailored to your business's specific needs, ensuring a clean and healthy workspace. From routine cleaning to specialized deep sanitation, we make sure your office shines. Our janitorial services also include restroom cleaning and disinfecting high-traffic areas. We use eco-friendly products and cutting-edge techniques that ensure the highest standards of cleanliness. No matter the size of your facility, we've got the solutions to keep it clean and running smoothly. Need flexible scheduling? We work around your hours to minimize disruptions. With System4 of Indianapolis, you can count on a professional, inviting environment for both employees and visitors. Contact System4 of Indianapolis at 317-222-1039 or visit us at http://system4indy.com. Noblesville, janitorial services, commercial cleaning, and facility management, keeping your business spotless.